Is SAP S4 HANA a module? This is a question we hear from our students every day, and the answer is no. SAP S4 HANA is not a module. It is SAP's latest and most advanced version of its ERP software. Let's break down what the name actually stands for. SAP Business Suite for SAP HANA. Now, SAP, as you all know, stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. Business Suite. This refers to the collection of business applications designed to work together. And the number 4, it represents the 4th generation of the SAP Business Suite. SAP HANA. This is the engine under the hood. It stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. It is an in-memory relational database management platform where all your data is stored and processed at a lightning speed. To put it simply, SAP S4 HANA is a complete suite of business applications built on the 4th generation architecture running specifically on the high-speed SAP HANA database. Now, where do these modules fit in? Within this S4 HANA version, you can choose a specific module to specialize in based on your career path. For example, if you are from an accounting background, you would choose SAP S4 HANA FI, that is Financial Accounting module. Similarly, others might choose MM, that is Materials Management, SD, Sales and Distribution, or HR, Human Resources, depending on their field. So now it's clear, S4 HANA is the version and FI, SD, MM are the modules. I hope this clears your doubt. Stay tuned to Finprov Learning to know more insights into the world of finance and technology. See you in next video.